Each morning, prep your skin for smooth makeup application by using Art Renewal Serum, followed by Art Light Moisturizer. For a natural look that lets your beautiful skin glow, choose a foundation that's a shade or two lighter than your natural skin tone, and use it as a concealer for darker under-eye circles and uneven skin spots. Use layers to build your concealer, adjusting coverage as needed. Try a warm tone foundation to help bring a glow to your face. Spritz your Savvy Minerals foundation brush with Savvy Minerals Misting Spray. While applying foundation, work in a circular motion to build coverage until it looks and feels perfect. Accentuate your bone structure by sweeping blush along the highest points of your cheekbones. Use Savvy Minerals Bronzer, available in 2 shades, for a warm summer glow. Choose eyeshadows that highlight the sparkle in your eyes. Shades of brown, copper, and bronze work great for blue eyes, and shimmery brown, purple, and green palettes work wonderfully for brown eyes. When lining your eyes, opt for a subtle line that follows as close to the lash line as possible. This can transition beautifully from work to an evening out. Then use Savvy Minerals Multitasker to fill in your eyebrows to fully frame your face. Complete the perfect eye with mascara. As we age, lips can appear thinner. Applying lipstick that is a shade or two darker than your natural color, along with a dab of gloss in the center, is the perfect way to plump them up. Use these simple tricks to look and, most importantly, feel beautiful.